We've all been there. You're scrolling through Pinterest or Instagram, staring at those massive jaw-dropping floral centerpieces. Then you look at the price tag of the flowers and it's painful. Well, Cherica has answered that problem. What if you could get this exact lush high-end look once and keep it forever? Today we're looking at a game changer for budget decorators. This is a 65-piece bulk blue hydrangea set. Now, if you've been burned by cheap plastic fake-looking flowers before, stick around because this is actually going to surprise you. What you actually get is 65 matching hydrangea heads, individual heads, and 65 matching wire stems that are customizable to any length you want. And the reason hydrangeas are the ultimate cheat code for decorating is their volume. One of these silk heads is incredibly full, packed with realistic layered petals. They aren't just stiff, shiny plastic that screams fake. Instead, they're made of a soft, high-quality silk fabric that mimics the delicate texture of a real fresh-cut hydrangea. The color is stunning. It's rich blue with subtle gradient tones, giving that organic look of an ingrown garden. Now, you can see I've used them in crystal glassware and here in a beautiful Oriental style vase that is perfect for table settings, for weddings, or for just spreading throughout your home. You could bundle a bunch of these for a jaw-dropping table piece that would rival what you see in high-end decorator magazines. And watch for my favorite decorator hack with these great hydrangeas at the end of this video. Because this is a bulk set, the decorating possibilities are massive. You could also use it for baby or wedding showers. You have more than enough pieces to build gorgeous overflowing table runners, fill up tall glasses and vases, construct a dreamlike floral arch with this piece set, and you can even bend or cut the flexible stems to fit any vase in your living room, entryway, or dining table. The best part is they won't wilt. You can prep your party centerpieces weeks in advance without worrying about keeping them alive, or keep them in a guest room and have it look fresh and styled all year round with zero maintenance. A quick pro tip when you open the box: like all silk flowers, they might be a little squished from shipping, but don't panic. Just give them a quick shake or run a clothes steamer over them for literally 5 seconds, and that'll fluff them up. That will instantly puff them to their fullest fluffy glory. If you want the luxury look of fresh hydrangeas without the luxury price tag or the stress of dyeing them, you can get this 65-piece set, and it's an absolute must-have. Like and follow this video for more, and here's my favorite place. In my living room on my mantle is a set of these beautiful hydrangeas in my favorite crystal vase. Like and follow us for more decor tips like these.